I thought it was you.
What the?
What a pleasant surprise, Miss Steele.
Just Anna. Just Anna. You're in here.
I was in the area in business. Needed to pick up a few things. Are you free?
Yeah. What can I help you with?
Do you stock cable ties?
Cable ties, yes, we do. I can show you if you want.
Please lead the way, Miss Steele.
Just Anna. Is that it?
Masking tape.
Are you redecorating?
No.
We have 2-inch and 1-inch. But the truly self-respecting handyman will have both in his toolbox.
Of course you will.
It's rare to find a connoisseur these days. Do you want anything else?
Yes. Rope. That's impressive. You Girl Scout?
No. Organized group activities aren't really my thing.
So what is your thing?
I don't know. Books? Okay. Rope, tape, cable ties. You're the complete serial killer.
Not today.
Anything else?
What would you recommend?
For a do-it-yourselfer? Maybe coveralls, so you protect your clothes?
Could just take all my clothes off.
Okay. No clothes. I mean, no coveralls. I can't ever think of anything else.
Well, I guess that's it then.
Cool.